So it's my son's birthday in a few days and he's completely obsessed with Spider-Man, so I decided to make him a Spider-Man cake topper. I got this inspo from Amazon while I was about to purchase one. So first I'm opening Cricut Design Space and searching for a Spider-Man face. Once I find the one that I want, I'm just going to proceed to adding it to my project. Then I'm going to ungroup the design and then delete the background. Essentially, I just want to use the face. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open shapes and then I'm gonna get a shape that's closest to the face. And then I am going to then unlock the shape so that way I can adjust it to just make the actual face portion. Then I'm gonna select both pieces and then I'm gonna slice it, then delete the pieces that I don't want. Once I have the face, I'm then going to move into my text. I just want birthday with the number 6 on there. And then you could just search for whatever font you want to use for your particular design. I'm going to be playing around with the fonts for a little bit, but for now, that's what I've chosen. So the next thing I'm going to do, I want to get a web inside of this design. So I'm just going to search for a web. Just see kind of which one will go with the project and kind of make it stand out a little bit. And then I saw one with like a spider like hanging down the side and I thought that would be perfect. So what I did, I ended up flipping the design because I didn't like the side that the spider was on. So I added it to my project. And then the next step that I did was after I narrowed down what font I wanted, I ungrouped the word just so I can get them as close as possible to each other because you want them to be connected because that's how your project is going to be one whole piece instead of separate pieces. So play around with that until they're all connected and it's one sturdy design that can hold up on a cake. Once I have everything in place, I am then going to proceed to weld everything together. The web I'm going to add after. Then I'm proceeding to cutting. You want to select the proper material. So I have a cardstock that's glitter. So you want to make sure you're using the right material. As well, I did adjust the pressure to make it a little bit stronger. So that way it cuts all the way through. And now we're cutting. The design is all cut. I'm going to cut out a red piece to go on the background of the face and then I'm going to glue everything together with my glue gun. I wanted the web to be slightly covered behind the face so it's a balanced design. So once I have it how I want it, I'm gonna then move on to adding the skewer sticks. So I wanted to add 2, but I didn't have a place to hide the second one, but the design is very light, so 1 skewer stick should be able to do the job. And let me know what you think about this project. It was really fun and my son was over the moon ecstatic.